Hey guys, here's a quick tip on working on your generator. Working on a Megaforce 6500 watt, came in with no power, system control board and voltage regulator were blown out. This is a construction site generator, so it's seen its share of use. Wanted to make sure that all the resistance and the windings are good, and I did test them off camera and they were in spec, but sometimes that doesn't always tell you the full story. What you have to do, especially with the exciter winding, your DPE winding, if you don't measure the right resistance, another way you can test it is by putting an incandescent 40 watt bulb or a 25 watt bulb, whatever you got, as long as it's below 40 watts, and you can excite the brush head with 12 volts. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. You may read the right resistance of the winding, but that doesn't always tell you if it's good. The way you could really tell if it can support a load is if that light bulb lights up off the DPE winding. So here we go. And it looks like we got ourselves a good exciter winding. So all we need to do is fix the system control board and fix the voltage regulator. This machine will be ready to go. I've already tested both main windings and they're good too. We'll get this engine tuned up and the electrical side all buttoned up. Just a quick recap. Here is the light bulb setup that I have for testing the exciter windings, and all it is a 40 watt bulb. I wound up having a smaller base here, so that's what I had available, but you can use a regular light socket. And all I did was put some male spade connectors on the ends here. And in this case, the DPE windings, it's not polarity sensitive. You can connect black to red to whatever. On this particular generator, the exciter windings are blue and red, but sometimes they can be both black. And all you need to check is to see, can it support a load? That's what the light bulb is for, because if it can't support a light bulb load, it will not be able to self-excite. And I've seen many of these generators, they may have good main windings where you can get power out of here if you're exciting the brushes with 12 volts, but the exciter winding is no good, and that tends to go first before the main windings, and that's simply because of size. The DPE windings are smaller wire. They don't have as much thermal mass as compared to the larger main windings, so they will burn out much quicker than the main windings do, unfortunately. Thanks again for watching, guys. Any questions, please leave a comment down below. Cheers.